Hi, I'm here to... Oh, I'm here. I don't want to do that. What do I do? How do I do this? Okay, for our regular YouTubers and people that bought from us from our website, thank you. A really big thank you. Thank you for your brilliant reviews. I read them and I think I'm quite amazed sometimes how people get so excited about our wax polishes. I understand it because we get excited about it because it was amazed us when we started making it and producing it and finding that it did some fantastic things. So thank you to all of you who have bought and continue to buy. Hopefully you can see all the new things we are bringing out all the time, and there will be some new things happening very shortly, which we will introduce. You'll see those on the website. But this little short video is all about the fact that we have won the Rural Business Awards with the regional ones for the Southwest. We go on to the national awards in February. So February we're going to see if we can win the big one, which is the National Rural Business Award for the best manufacturing company. We got a lovely plaque there, and also we got a certificate. We got a certificate there. It is handsome. Look at that. So thank you to all of our YouTube subscribers, and especially all the people that have bought our wax and continue to have success with it. We hope to keep on improving. Thank you.